Hello, I'm Seth with Land House. My favorite flashlight company, WowTac, has introduced the A2S headlamp. I've used the previous two headlamps and they were fantastic. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what the new one is all about. This is WowTac. Has a little instruction manual, and here is the light itself. And it has a charging cable, and then just an extra couple of O-rings there. So let's go ahead and open up the light. So it has a three-way head strap, so it definitely will stay on your head nicely. Has a rubber piece that hugs the light very well, and the light does come out of here. You just kind of have to work with it to get it out of there. Yeah, I've had no problems with this rubber headpiece here. Works out really well. Okay, let's take a look at this light a little bit closer. You'll notice that the LED and lens is off to a 90-degree angle here. So whenever it's out of the head strap, you can hold this like this and point it off in that direction. It has a little heat sink on the back, and it has a single button on the top here. That is how you access all of the settings. So pushing once just turns the light on, and it's going to remember whatever setting you had previously used. So if I hold this down, it will cycle through the brightness settings and then back down. Now if it's off, I can then long press and get the firefly mode, which is going to last for about 59 days on a fresh battery. And if I want to access strobe, I double tap at any state, and it's going to be turbo mode or SOS, not strobe. My apologies. So that setting is not going to last very long, but it is super bright. We'll go test that outside here in just a bit. In order to charge the battery, just use the included cable and plug it into the top of the battery. And as you can see, there is a red light showing that it is charging. Let's put this back into the head strap here. So just oops, push those back into place. Yeah, there we go. And then let's go ahead and put this on the head and see how well it works out. I have not adjusted this yet, but it should be pretty quick and easy to do. So let's go ahead and get this back one done. Yeah, the closure here for the head strap is pretty typical. Just has these little clips here. Okay, so yeah, the strap will definitely adjust to fit somebody with a large head or a small head. So definitely plenty of room there for that. Let's go ahead and hop outside where it's dark and see what this light looks like at night. As you can see, it's totally dark out here. Let me click on the light and get our first setting. So I'm looking down here about 10 feet, and you can see that is pretty bright. Go up to the next setting. Much brighter. We can actually now see the playhouse over there is about 50 feet away, or maybe 75 feet. Now next setting. So low, medium, high. Okay, you can see that's much brighter. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on to turbo. Bam. Very bright over there. That's really impressive. Here's SOS. Okay, now let's go into firefly. So I'm going to long hold here. Okay, you can't really see that on the ground. So I'm going to pull it off my head here. And let's see. So this is about 3 feet away. And as you can see, plenty of light. So if you had to walk in the dark for a long time, I'm just showing like you can really use this light here to see a lot. And of course, that's going to provide a whole lot more light. Just to go over some of the specs here. Low is 24 lumens for days runtime. Medium is 126 lumens at 14.7 hours. High is 420 lumens at 4.5 hours. Turbo is 1050 lumens at 2.7 hours. Firefly is 0.3 lumens at 59 days. It has a distance of 182 meters max, impact resistance of 1.5 meter, and a waterproof rating of IPX7 at 1 meter. Let's do a simple underwater test here. Light is on, and I've made sure that both the caps are nice and tight. So, as you can see, works well underwater. I have actually submerged pretty much all of the WowTac lights, and they do work just as well underwater. The light has a 1.5 meter impact resistance, so I'm just going to drop at 1 meter here. So light is on. I hate this test because I would never do this with one of my lights, but here we go. There we go, and still on. So another WowTac light has survived the drop test. I've tested out every light that WowTac has, and I've had 0 problems with any of them over the course of about 3 years. So I do highly recommend this product, and if you are looking for a good high quality headlamp or even just flashlight in general, definitely check out WowTac. I have a link to the Amazon page down below, and definitely give them a review if it's something that you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.